I was in LA at the time in '95, and I was shooting a movie out there, and it was some kind of scientific thing, and I played this professor that had discovered a drug that can make you live forever, and like all good shows, it all goes wrong, and my body starts to deteriorate really quickly. So one day I go into work and they put on this bald cap, and from the back of my head, underneath this bald cap, I could see this huge lump that I hadn't noticed before. It looks something similar to Ayers Rock. And so I came home and I was sent straight for an MRI, and they discovered 2 brain tumours. There's a machine that does stereotactic radiation that's usually used for cancer patients, and but we're having some success with benign tumours. So he said, and it's up the road from where you live. I was in Highgate at the time, and he said it's in Barts. Check it out. So we came down here, we saw what was available, and I ended up having the treatment. It was 20 minutes, and 20 minutes treatment and years of worry, but in the end it disappeared.
People are treated usually as day case, in and out the same day, whereas if I were to operate on some of the skull-based tumours that are treated on this, they'll perhaps be in hospital for 7 to 10 days and maybe away from work for 2 to 3 months. So huge advantages to the patient. It has the advantage of delivering in a very precise way radiotherapy with millimetre accuracy to the tumours that we treat. And those tumours can be varied from benign base of skull tumours to non-tumorous conditions such as vascular malformations, tangles of arteries and veins, where it's now become the accepted first-line treatment for most clinicians.
I've spent a lot of time over the last few years going around to different hospitals around the country, putting myself up as a kind of example, really, that you can come through it, that everything isn't the end of the world when you're told you have benign tumours, even cancer tumours that can be attacked with machines like this. And but when you're in the middle of that situation, when you've just been told you've got it, it's hard to see any light at the end of any tunnel. You're just in a really bad space in your life. So I kind of put myself up as an example, really, just to say you can come through it.